Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to block unknown numbers from calling you on an iPhone. This is very useful if you're getting spam calls or calls from numbers you don't recognize. First, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Phone. Now look for the option called Silence Unknown Callers and tap on it. Here, simply toggle the switch on. Once enabled, calls from unknown numbers will not ring on your iPhone. These calls will automatically go to voicemail and appear in your recent calls list. Important note: remember, calls from numbers saved in your contacts, recent outgoing calls, or Siri suggestions will still ring normally. Optional tip: if you want to block a specific number, go to the Phone app, tap Recents, select the info icon next to the number, scroll down and tap Block this caller. Ending. And that's it. This is how you can easily block unknown calls on an iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.